So hello, the topic today is about functions. So this functions is under to the differential calculus. So the f of x is equals to y. So is still the same pa rin yan guys. Ano gets? Ang f of x ay parehas lang siya ng y. Gets? So ganito yan. f of x, f of 2 is equals to 2x squared. So papalitan mo lang siya ng value ng 2 lahat ng x. So 2. Ganyan lang siya guys. Then calculate mo lang yan. So yun na nakukuha sa sagot. Gets? So let's proceed for the next problem. So for the first problem is the f of 3 minus is equals to 7 minus 2x plus x squared. So lahat ng x papalitan lang natin ng 3. Gets? So 7 minus 2 with then the 3 papalitan natin lahat ng x na gagawin natin 3 plus 3 squared. Gets? So 7 minus 6, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 9. Then f of 3 is equals to what? 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. So f of 3 is equals to 10. Gets? So yan yung sagot guys. Gets? So the next problem is the f of 1 over 2 is equals to x minus 1 x squared plus 2. So lahat ng x papalitan natin ng 1 half. Gets? So 1 half minus 1 over 1 half squared plus 2. Gets? So baling 1 half minus 1 is equals to what? Is equals to negative 1 half. Negative 1 half ang sa taas. Then 1 half squared is equals to what? 1/4 diba? Plus 2 is equals to negative 1 half ang sa taas. And then 1/4 plus 2 is equals to 9/4. Then next, negative 1 half. Then naka-divide siya guys. Naka-divide. Ibig sabihin, pag naka-divide siya, ita-times natin yung sa taas magiging sa baba. So 4/9 na yan. Then next is negative times nyo to sa taas and times nyo siya sa baba. Negative 4/18. So pag sinimplify natin yan, ang magiging sagot is what? Negative 2/9. So ito na yung sagot guys. Gets? So the next problem is the f of h is equals to x squared plus 3x. So lahat ng x papalitan natin ng h. So h squared na yan. Then 3 lahat ng x papalitan natin h. So f of h is equals to what? H squared plus 3h minus 4. So ito na yung tamang sagot guys. Gets? Ganun lang siya kadali. Gets? So the next problem is the f of tangent of x is equals to b minus b squared. Gets? Over 1 plus b squared. So lahat ng b papalitan natin tangent of x minus the tangent squared of x over 1 plus the tangent squared of x. This identity is equals to what? Secant squared of x sine of x over the cosine of x minus the sine squared of x over the cosine squared of x. Gets? So get the LCD sa taas in dito, which is the cosine squared of x ang LCD. Then pag ito dinivide natin dyan, matitira cosine of x times natin sa sin x. So sin x and cosine of x ang matitira minus this, divide natin dito, cosine squared divide cosine squared x is equals to sin squared x na lang matitira over copy the secant squared of x. Gets? So next is what? Next natin gagawin is kailangan natin itong pwede natin itong ibaliktad pero pwede natin din itong irreciprocal identities. So sin x, so ito muna, factor out. Sin x is equals to cosine of x minus the sine of x over cosine squared of x. Then divide over the identity of secant squared x is cosine squared of x. Then we can cancel or pwede rin siyang maging multiply sa cosine squared of x over 1. So makakancel din to. Yan, makakancel din. Pwede rin to sa baba na lang para mabilis. Then pwede rin yung dito and dito pag pinagbaliktad mo. But ko pinagbaliktad kasi naka-division siya. Gets? So next, makakancel. Natira na lang is what? Sin x and cosine of x over 1. So sin x and cosine of x minus the sine of x over 1. So which is, eto na lang matitira. So the answer is sin of x, cosine of x minus the sine of x. May minus yan na guys. Gets? May minus to. Gets? So, that's all guys. Thank you for watching and I love you all to infinity and beyond. Goodbye.